In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iMessage without needing a mobile number on your iPhone. Yes, you absolutely can use iMessage without your phone number. As long as you have an Apple ID and a Wi-Fi connection, you can send and receive iMessages using just your email address. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, what you'll need to do is use your email address with iMessage. Now, if you're wondering where to start, no worries, it's pretty straightforward. Let's dive into your iPhone settings. So open the settings app and scroll down to find the section called apps on page C and then tap on messages. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the messages settings, look for the option labeled send and receive. This is crucial because it lets you configure how people can reach you through iMessage. Here you might notice a field that says use your Apple ID for iMessage. If you're not already signed in, make sure to tap this option. Signing in with your Apple ID enables the device to use iMessage via your email address instead of your phone number. After signing in with your Apple ID, you'll see a list of reachable addresses. These addresses are essentially the contact points others can use to iMessage you. It's a good idea to check which email addresses are selected. You can choose the ones you're comfortable using for sending and receiving messages. For most people, the Apple ID email tends to be the default choice, but feel free to select any email addresses you prefer. Now that your email is set up as a contact point, you're ready to start messaging. Let's move on to initiating a chat session. Go ahead and open the Messages app. At the top right corner, you'll notice a compose icon. It's usually a small square with a pencil or pen symbol. Tap on it to compose a new message. Here's where you'll see the power of using your email address with iMessage. When you send a message, it will now show up from your email address and will appear as those iconic blue bubbles, a signature of iMessage that tells you it's being sent through Apple's servers rather than as a traditional SMS text. And there you have it. All your iMessages will now appear as if they're coming from your email. With just an Apple ID and Wi-Fi, you can enjoy the convenience of iMessage without the need for a mobile number. Remember, those blue bubbles mean you're in the iMessage zone, ensuring your messages are secure and efficient. If you have any other questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.